In 2026, technology has moved beyond our screens and into our daily lives. It is no longer just a tool, it is a partner in solving our oldest human challenges. From healthcare, where AI acts as a medical co-pilot to personalize treatments, to the environmental front, where smart grids are making clean energy a reality for everyone. Ultimately, technology is giving us back our most precious resource, time. By handling the repetitive tasks, it frees us to focus on what truly matters: creativity, connection, and progress.